What's up, guys? Haven't posted in a couple weeks. Cars are getting pretty hard to find right now, but anyway, how's it going? Here's my 98 Civic DX hatchback 5-speed manual. Only has 114,000 original miles, and it is a one-owner car verified by Carfax. So, and it is a 5-speed, if I didn't say that already. It runs well, drives well. I smogged it this morning. Very clean, very straight car. Like I said, it's hard to get cars right now because these old classic Hondas are just freaking expensive. So, but anyway, here it is, black 98 Civic DX hatch. No air conditioning, but it does have power steering. None of these came with AC from the factory. If they have it, it was factory dealer added. So, 5-speed manual. It even has the original block off for the AC button. It's cool. It's a pretty lightweight chassis. People love to mod these, which is another reason why they're so hard to find. Needs to be waxed, buffed, whatever you want to do. Paint's original. It's fading on the hood and the roof, but the car is pretty straight. So, original headlights. Here's the Honda logo. There it is. Yeah, original plates. California car, no rust. Does have some fading. Car's original, so this fender's been repainted. It's still original fender, but it's been repainted. You can tell the difference in fading. But the rest of the car is original except for the fender, which is cool. None of them are original, not anymore anyway. Factory headlights, yeah. The car's very clean, body's very straight. It needs to be washed pretty badly. But yeah, 114,000 original miles. So I just smogged it today, passed flying colors. It's just getting hard to find these things. People want $1 million for them, so the profit margin is very low. It's got the cargo tray, original glass. Cargo tray still. Tags are good for the end till the end of the month. Like I said, this car's pretty clean, pretty good shape. So I haven't been posting much because I haven't been able to buy anything. Prices have just gone completely cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. So, plus, people want $1 million for them, and they're all beat to heck too. So it doesn't make it any easier on my end. These people call me and I want $8 grand for my car. It's like, well, I couldn't even sell it for that, and it's worse condition than you told me. So how do you expect me to give you, that price for these cars? Engine bay's cherry. Barely even any rust on the heat shield, which tells you it's just a California car. AAA battery, VINs, no VINs, but it's been repainted. Everything else has its VINs. Power steering. Yeah, it's been a super solid car. No air conditioning, but you can add it. Factory block off plate. But yeah, needs a good detail, wash, clean, wax, whatever you want to do, repaint. Original windshield. Hard to find them in this shape. They're all destroyed, and find one that's original with a clean title and all that stuff is hard, especially one owner. I'll attach the Carfax. Actually, I can't attach it, but check me out on Instagram, Spencer's Hondas. That's the best way to get a hold of me. Once again, that's the #1 question I get in this business. How do I get a hold of you? I want to buy this car. Well, Instagram. That's how you get a hold of me. You reach me through there. We can talk on the phone or whatever, but odds are a lot of times these cars do go very fast. I don't have them very long. So when I post them, you got to get to me sooner rather than later because they're gone. People snatch them up. I try to have a good eye for these certain cars that are stock unmodded and somewhat straight. The paint doesn't ever bother me. I more care about the condition of the car overall, the body panels, all that stuff. So I also love one-owner cars. Those are my favorite. Anyway, if you're interested, Spencer's Hondas on Instagram. If you want to get updates on my videos, like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.